Create a team with guests. Welcome to M365 Professional. With Microsoft Teams, you can create a new team to work with customers or guests outside your business. Let's take a look. On the Teams tab, select Join or Create a Team. Then Create Team. We'll create a team from scratch, but you can also create a team from a template existing team or group. Enter a name, a description, and change the team type and sensitivity level if needed. Since this team contains customer information, we'll leave it as private. Select Create. To add people from your business, search for them and select them. Repeat these steps for additional members. To add someone from outside your business, enter their email address and confirm you want to add them. Repeat is needed for additional guests. Then select ADD name for each guest. Enter a name or description for the guest. When finished, select Add. Your new team has been created. Select Close. Guests invited to your new team will receive an email invitation with information about the team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.